All right, so today what I'm going to do is show you how to do the pickup selector switch. This is a 2019 that I just bought. It's a used guitar, but really good condition. It's the 5230T, and I just changed this, the vibrato, the Bigsby. I did a video on that because it had the B5 in it, and I wanted to look more like George's guitar. Which is starting to look like it. Got new knobs for it because it has some black knobs on it. So I changed those. Now I'm going to do the switch because the switches that are in these guitars are really crappy. And it was scratchy. I haven't heard the new ones are scratchy when you get it. So I changed it. It was also cutting off on the this pickup, the bridge pickup. So I'm going to change it. I'll show you how the wiring goes. Let me just flip it around. That's what's in there. Can't really see where all the wires go, but I have the old one. Let me get that. This is the old one, and I'll show you how it was wired. Now when you order it, I ordered a Switchcraft. I didn't just order the same type. I ordered a Switchcraft. Let me get the information. So this is what it looks like when it's already done. All right, the new one fits perfectly in there. It's the right size. You don't have to drill the hole and make it any bigger. Fits right in there. The wiring is exactly the same. I'm going to take it to the bench and show you how I soldered in where all the wires go, because it looks a little confusing there. And so this is the one I got. It's the 9221-005-0000. All right, that's the pickup selector switch. And I got it from these guys, from DarrenRiley.com. They ship pretty fast, so I've ordered a few things from them. So yeah, they're pretty good. So if you want to order from there, if not, look for it, that same job number or the same part number online. So let me go downstairs and I'll show you how I did the wiring. Okay, so that's the old switch that I took off. Okay. And another thing I forgot to mention is you're going to have to order new ones of this. All right, I just ordered it. It's a little package of 2 from the same place, Darren Riley, and it says it'll fit that particular model. It's a Switchcraft. This isn't a Switchcraft. This is the Chinese-made metric one. I think they call it metric. So, see how it is? I'm going to show you which wires go where. I did a little bit of a diagram so I wouldn't mess it up, and it works fine. So yeah, so don't forget you got to order this also, because this one will not fit the Switchcraft. Switchcraft is supposed to be pretty good. And it works really good right now. So let me put it on a small vise and heat up the soldering iron. So there are 2 wires going into that switch. One of them has a black and a white, and the other one has a black, a white, and a red. I had to color that because I didn't have any red wire. All right, it's just for illustration purposes. And also when you get the switch, these little prongs, okay, they're all straight. All of them are all straight. These 2 aren't together. So you're going to have to squeeze the 2 middle ones together like that, because one wire goes in there, and then move this out a little bit. Not terrible, just don't bend it too much so that you break it. Okay, so let me do the wiring and so you can see. So the 2 black wires, I got them together. See, from the 3 wire and the 2 wire. So the 2 black ones go together and they go soldered right here. All right, so let me put that on and I'll solder it. Okay, so I got the two black wires. See, they're together and they go right in there. Now, you're gonna have to do this in the guitar with the switch in it because the wires aren't that long. So it's a little tricky. It's not that bad. You just gotta, you know, maneuver the soldering iron in there. It's not terrible, so it's pretty easy. It's enough room. All right, so that's those two wires. And let me get the one of the white wires. So this white wire, which is from the two wire goes in the middle, right here in the two prongs that you got to put together in the middle. All right, so that's going to go there, and that's from this one, which only has two wires. All right, I'm going to solder that. You probably better, you know, when you're doing it, solder this guy. Put these two guys together, the middle ones, and put some solder in there, so that they're soldered together, and then melt it, and then put the wire in, which is what I'm going to do now. Okay, there it is. So from the wire that has the two wires, all right, black goes with the other black over here, and the white one goes in the center. Sorry about that. All right, so that's how that goes. All right, so then the next one is, let me see the white one. Where does the white one go? Okay, the red one goes here, and the white one with the three wire goes here. So I'm going to put the red one over here. That's where it goes. And that's from the wire that has the three wires. Let me do that. All right, so there you go. So here's the white wire, okay, to the outside prong, to this one. That's from the wire that has the three, the red, the black, and the white. So the white one goes here, and then the red one goes here. And that's it. Tricky part is doing it in the hole in the guitar, but it's just plenty of room for the soldering iron. So that's how it goes. You can see the two wires, right? The one with the black and the white center goes into the center. Two prongs that are put together. Then the other wire that has the three wires, white one goes on this side, and the red one goes here. So even if the switch, I'm trying to remember where if the switch was this way, I think it's that way in the guitar cavity. Pretty sure that's how it is. Okay, so that's it. You got the two black there, and that's, like I said, do a little diagram like I did on paper, and that way it's if you forget, or take a picture, even though it's a little jumbled inside there when you take a picture. But that's it. That's how it goes. It worked for me, so good luck. Thanks for watching.